Yo, what up, YouTube? It's S-Boys, aka Scott. We have a Mailday and a box break. Open them right on camera. Maybe, I don't know. I know what this is. Bought this from Raw Eagles. It's in the I Manning. Premier Auto at a 65. Nice card. Love Eli. I don't know what this is. I don't remember. Maybe this is eBay. I don't even know. Oh, this is pretty fast. I got this from BB Nut. He made a good deal on it. It's an Ian Kennedy Premier Rookie Auto at a $2.99. Thank you. And he threw in a William Avery press vest out. I've never heard of him. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, let's get right into it. We got a box break there. Leaf Rookies and Stars. Alright, let's bust into it. For 4 hits. We got this from Chris, the Hobby Box. Great prices, great service, great person. Right now he's looking to fill a 50-case group break of Exquisite, only $3,100 a spot. Just look at his video. I would get in, but right now I can't afford it. Whatever. Take a bunch of these packs. Get into it. 24 pack box. All base. McKinley out of 25. Don't know who he is, but that's a low number. McKinley, the Broncos. Rest are base. And Matt Ryan on the back. Base card. Pushman Zada. There's Matt Ryan. Okay. Braylon, sure the guys are Giants. First, like 4 packs. McNabb. Just 1 numbered card so far. First 5 packs. This one seems kind of thick. I always say that. I don't know. I think it might be something. It is. Jersey. Oh, it's a patch. Michael Crabtree patch. It's 2 color. Out of 50. So that's actually a nice hit. I don't know if he's going to be playing next year. It's a patch of Michael Crabtree. Take it. Can't go wrong. Two colors. Decent start. Johnson. Andre Johnson, number 99. Base. Crabtree. What up, Crabtree? Anyone looking for that Crabtree, let me know. Looking for Hakeem next Ramses Barden. Got a rookie of Beckham. I don't know who this is. I don't know. Alright, let's do our stacks. Looking for 3 more hits. Still a bunch of packs. We're at 4 minutes already. Oh my god. I nailed it for forever. McKinley rookie. We got the number to 25. We got the regular rookie. That's probably number to 999. Tony Dallas and the Falcons. Base. Cutler on the Bears. These pennies, they're updating the photos. Like new faces and new places. We got another hit. For the Bears, Juan Iglesias, Jersey Auto. Instead of 100. It's not the best player, but whatever. Parker, 49. Willie. Just looking for 2 more hits, probably about half a box left. Hopefully get another auto. That first one wasn't that great. He could end up being good, but from Oklahoma, we don't know. Another auto, but freaking Aaron Kelly at a 250. It's kind of bad. Let's get the rest of the packs out. Let's get the rest of the packs. So 1 hit. So it basically went downhill from the Crabtree patch. Rookie of something Hood. Studio rookies at a 500 of Joaquin Iglesias. Probably just seeing a regular jersey or something. Got a rookie of Austin Collie at a 249. 4 packs left. You have a box of Ultimate Basketball coming up. Okay, here's our last hit for the Lions, Calvin Johnson. And that's out of 299. So that should be all the hits. We got 2 autos, so we didn't get the best autos. 3 packs left. Maybe get a low numbered parallel or something. Mike Wallace out of 100. This is not the greatest box. It's not terrible. We got the Crabtree patch, which was a nicer patch. Bays in the last pack. Oh, knocking the camera. Last pack is nothing. Alright, thanks Chris for the box. We got Ultimate coming up. Alright, peace.